In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in Roblox to fix any lag and improve performance. To get started with this, from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom and type run. Then open up run underneath best match. And in the run box, you want to type the following command, which is a % symbol, followed by local app data, and then another % symbol, just like this. Click OK, and that's going to open up a window like this. From here, you want to find your temp folder. So it's in alphabetical order. So if you come down to the bottom to T, you should find a folder called temp. Double click to go into that folder. And in here, you want to find your Roblox folder. Now, I've already deleted mine, but if you do see a Roblox folder come up, what you want to do is click to select it, right click, and then click on to delete. So that's going to clear any temporary cache files on your desktop. Now, to actually clear them from your web browser as well, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome to do this. And what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots, and on this menu, you want to come down and click onto settings. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. And then what you want to do in the privacy and security section is click onto third party cookies. What that's going to do is take you to a section like this. From here, come down to the advanced section and click where it says see all site data and permissions. From here, if you come up to the top right hand corner where it says filter sites on page, in here you want to click and type Roblox. Again, I've already done this, but you should see Roblox come up. And what you would do is just simply click the trash can icon next to Roblox, which is going to delete all site data and permissions for Roblox, including any temporary cached files. Before you do this, make sure you do make a note of your login details. It's going to ask you to log in again when you go back to Roblox, but that is how to clear your Roblox cache. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.